Hi, welcome to SuperSync Technologies Private Limited. In this video, we are going to learn how to program the bell schedules in automatic bell timer model WB-06. This is the home page of WB-06, wherein we have got the different options. How to get onto this page, we have made a separate video. You can refer to that video. Moving ahead, the very first option which we have in this menu is set date and time. If we click onto this menu, this option is for programming the current date and current time displayed on the timer WB-06. So whatever the bell timings will work, that will follow this current time. So to set the date, we have to click on the date and you can set your desired date from the calendar. Time also, you can set it as per your convenience from the clock, and as you press the save button, this current date and current time will be saved on the WB-06 and that will be displayed on the screen. You can see that right away just after pressing the save button. Next option we have is manual bell. Manual bells are used to ring in case of emergency or in case there is some bell timing which is apart from the automatic bell schedule. So here in the text box, you have to enter the numeric code or the numeric number of the bell which is saved inside the micro SD card. So the micro SD card is accessible in WB-06 at the left hand side of the device. In this micro SD card, you can upload up to 99 sound files. The format of the sound files has to be either MP3 or WAV format. From the factory, we send 67 sound files, which are a combination of more or less all types of sound files which are required for the school purpose. That has got the female vocal, the system will speak, this is period number 1, this is period number 2, it's your lunch time, it's your assembly time. Or there are various types of strokes like the traditional ton-ton kind of a sound and all other required bells. So you have to directly enter the bell number which you wish to play. Suppose I have to play bell number 2. I'll press 2 and as I press the play button, the bell will start ringing in the WB-06. If you want to disconnect in mid, you can press the disconnect button and you'll get a message onto screen that it is disconnected. That means the bell has stopped ringing over there. Next option we have is Bluetooth. We have made a separate video for Bluetooth. You can refer to that video. The fourth option we have is set day schedule. Set day schedule, this means you can set different timetables to ring on different days of the week. Suppose you have different timetable for Monday, you have different timetable for Tuesday. So you can set those schedules from this menu. In WB-06, you have the option to select from either of any 8 different schedules. You can program these schedules in different programming option, which I'll be explaining in the next step. So out of these 8 schedules, you can select which schedule to play in which weekday. Suppose I wish to play schedule number 1 on Monday, schedule number 2 on Tuesday, schedule number 3 on Wednesday, schedule number 4 on Thursday, Friday 6 and 7 on Saturday. Suppose I don't have any off on Sunday, I can even program 8 over here. If I have a off, I can directly dial off over here. So this is how you can schedule different schedules to ring on different weekdays. The next option which is available in set day schedule is you can even copy one schedule from the other schedule. So in this option which you can see, copy the bell from one schedule to another schedule, you have to directly enter the source from where you want to copy. For an example, I have a program saved in suppose schedule number 4, which I wish to copy in schedule number 8. So you can do it from here. This option is used in circumstances where suppose there are only 1 or 2 bell timings changed in some other schedule and rest the whole timetable is same. So suppose I have 2 bells to change in schedule number 8 from schedule number 4. I'll just copy it from here, from source to the destination, and I press the copy button. It has started copying. We have to wait until the success message is shown. Okay, successfully copied the schedule from 4 to 8. So this was all about the option set day schedule. So moving on to the next option we have as bell setup. In this option, we are going to program the complete bell timings of the whole schedule. As I have explained earlier, in WB-06, we have the option to program 8 different type of schedules, that is from SH1 to SH8. So for a sample, I am going to program 3 bells in SH1. So here you can see there are no bells programmed right now. Total bells programmed are shown as 0. I am going to program the first bell. I have selected first from here. In hours, suppose morning 7 o'clock I have a bell to ring, and suppose the melody number is 23. As I press the save button, so you can see the bell number first is showing as 7 o'clock, melody number 23. Melody number is the same bell number which is saved inside the micro SD card. So the indexing is done in the micro SD card in a way you are saving them. The next bell is bell number 2. Suppose the next bell is at 7:45 AM and I am selecting the melody number, suppose 25. Third bell, supposedly this bell is of the school off. I am just giving an example over here. The third bell I am programming it as 2 PM and suppose the melody number is 18. As I press the save button, you can see the 3 bells are programmed in schedule number 1. So if we move upwards, as you can see, we have programmed schedule number 1 on Monday. So as the calendar moves to Monday, these 3 bells will ring on that day. Suppose there is some change in schedule number 1. Suppose we have the bell timing change in bell number 2. So I can edit this as well. I'll select bell number 2 from here. And suppose I have to program it as 11:30, and there is the, suppose the bell number is also changed. As I press the save button, you can see the second bell is changed to 11:30, melody number 2. If I want to delete any bell, I can do the same as well. I'll select it from here, bell number 3. I am deleting bell number 3 from the clear bell option. Just below the save button, there is clear bell option. As I press the clear bell, you can see bell number 3 is removed. The similar process you have to follow while programming all 8 schedules. So this was all about how to program the bell timings in WB-06. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead.